Hello friends and welcome to Studi.Live. Today we are going to do the questions which were asked in the JEE entrance exam on 25/07/2021. So आज का लेक्चर क्या होगा? It is all about speed. कैसे हम लोग क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं, कैसे हम लोग क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं, इसमें सोचते हैं, all that is to be done today. So आज का जो लेक्चर होगा it is all about speed. कितना टाइम होता है हमको सॉल्व करने के लिए each question? 2 minutes or just over 2 minutes. But हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? Either 2 minutes or less. So it is all about speed. So आप लोग prepared रहे with all the theory and whatever information is required. Today's lecture is all about going to be questions of the entrance exam. So let us start. This is our first question. Hello friends and welcome to Studi.Live. Today we are going to start with the entrance level questions. Now these are the questions which were asked this year in the entrance exam. So let us see these questions. So over here you can see the questions that is put up over here. The number of solutions of sin raised to 7x plus cos raised to 7x equal to 1 between the range 0 to 4 pi. Now sin raised to 7x plus cos raised to 7x equal to 1. Okay, now what does this mean? The more we take raised to, the value will reduce. It will become smaller and smaller. So definitely if I am saying this value is less than 1, but over there that is given to be equal to 1. So if this value is equal to 1, this can happen only in one condition. That is when sin x equal to 1, cos x equal to 0, sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to 1. So now not taking 3 pi by 2 because that will give us -1 and -1 raised to 7 will be -1, correct? So I am not taking minus over here. So how many solutions are we getting over here? We are getting 5 solutions over here. So the solutions for this is totally 5.